Hello guys, how are you all? I hope all are good. So guys, today we'll see about GitHub. Okay, so means this is for beginners, guys who are beginner and who don't know about GitHub. They can watch this, guys. And if you're pro, then you will get everything very easily, guys. Okay, so this is the thing, guys. First, I want to tell this is for beginners. So guys, you will learn here how we can create a GitHub account as well as how we can upload our files. For example, if you have any program, if you have any project, that file how you can upload in your GitHub account. So that we will learn, guys. Okay, so before that, before going to uploading the file, there is one requirement, guys, that is you must and should have your account in github.com. Okay, so that is the thing. And suppose if you don't have a account in GitHub, then no worry, guys, there is the easiest steps. By using that steps, you can create your account in github.com. Okay, so this is the thing, guys. You can see here, this is github.com. It is their official website, guys. So just go in Google and just type github.com. It will open like this. Okay, then here there is suppose if you have already account, just log in. And if you don't have, then you need to create. Okay, so for creating, you need to add your email ID. And you can go, guys, see, if you go here, sign in also, and if you go here, create an account, it will come like this only. So welcome, it will tell welcome to GitHub, let's begin the adventure. So add your email ID and some basic details. It will ask, guys, just add that details and register yourself. Okay, so already I have created, guys, my account in GitHub. Okay, so I will show that how after login how it will look and all. So like this you create, guys, if you don't have account. Okay, so after login how it will be. So the view will be like this, guys. Okay, so if you're new, then you will see the blank things, guys, here, because still you are not uploaded any code and projects and all, right? So already I have uploaded some code here. So it is showing, guys, here. Okay, so you will get blank things. Then next you can see, guys, here, for uploading the new projects or new files in GitHub, then what we need to do, guys, first we need to create a repository. So go in plus here, you can see here there is a new repository. So create new repository, and here add your repository name. Here must and should, guys, you need to add your repository name. Okay, so here I'll add like uh basic project. Okay, basic project only. Basic project. Okay, so it will check the availability if it is available. Okay, so it is telling us it is available. Then here you can add the description, so I'll not add anything now. And here it is, add a readme file. So guys, readme means if you want to give any notes and all, anything you need to mention, like this project is regarding what and all. So that time you can do, guys, this means add a readme means we will get the file there, we can add some notes regarding our project. So suppose if anyone is visiting your GitHub account, if he want to access this file, then he will easily understand by reading this file, that is a readme file. Oh, so for that it is. Okay, so here the thing is done, guys. You can add description also if you want to add. The next what you need to do, guys, just create a repository. Okay, and we need to do a public, so it will be publicly available. So you can see, guys, this is the basic view it will be. And you can see here it is readme, and suppose if you want to edit, you can edit here in readme file. You can see, guys, this is a basic project. So regarding what it is, that you can uh, write here, this project is based on web application, like that. You can add this. Okay, so after this what you need to do, after this you just commit the changes, or extend the description. Here it is asking, suppose if you want to add, you can add the description. So I'll, for me it is enough. Okay, so this is done. And you can see, guys, here my project name came, and this is my readme file. It is showing also where I am right now. Okay, so this is the thing, guys, done. Then next what we need to do, guys, suppose if you want to upload here files, now the creation and everything is done, how to create and all. Now for uploading the files in GitHub, here we need to go, guys. You can see here there is an option that is add file. Just click here, and here you can see you can create a new file or you can upload a file. So what I will do, I will select upload files. Okay, So here I'll choose the file, so it will redirect to my computer screen. So here I'll take one any file, guys. So I'll go in HTML. Right now I'll take HTML only, so I'll take this index file right now. Okay, so you can see, guys, here it is uploading, and here it is telling index.html is uploaded. Okay, then next what we need to do, guys, here we need to do the commit changes. Okay, and you can add here also, add a file via upload, add an optional extension description. So I'll write added index.html. So we're committing something. Okay, so commit changes. So here you can see, guys, here this is my index.html file, and here you can see added index.html means whatever commit I have given, that I can see here. And if I want to open, I can open here, guys. You can see my file is open now, right? And next, guys, suppose if you want to do any edit and all, you can go here, you can edit the file, you can write here. If you want to anything update in your code, you can update, guys, here. Then after updating, you need to again commit the changes, same you need to do, guys. Okay, so this is thing. So fine, we'll go back again in my basic project. Already I have done commit changes. Okay, so suppose if you want to add again files, then same procedure you need to follow, guys. Just go here, upload the files. So again choose the files. So I'll use this slider. You can commit here, added slider.html. Okay, so commit the changes. So you can see, guys, two files has been added. Okay, so guys, like this you can, what you can do, guys, you can add your files in your GitHub account. Okay, so I hope, guys, you got how we can add, how we can upload and all. Okay, fine, guys. And one more thing, guys, if you want to download, you can download from here also. Means whenever the person will visit to your GitHub account, he can directly download from here. Okay, and as I told you, if you want to add anything node, you can add here. So the person who is accessing this, he will easily understand what is the things and all. Okay, fine. So this is the thing, guys. And if I go in my home account again, so I can see this file there, guys. You can see here, guys, this is my username Sunita Sonu, and this is my basic project file. Okay, you can see here is that Python also. So that also we will cover, guys, how we can take Python. Now Heroku demo is not working, guys, it was earlier. Okay, so this is the thing, guys. Like this, you can, what you can do, guys, you can upload your files in your GitHub account. Okay, and suppose if you want to open your file once again, you can just click here, it will get open. You can see, and again if you want to upload, you can upload. Like this you can do, guys. So again I'll go in home page. Here if you want to open this, you can open. You can see, guys, this is my Python file. Okay, so this also I'll tell, guys, how we can do and all these things. So I hope, guys, you got how we can upload a files in our GitHub account. If you have any question regarding this, then guys, please comment in comment box. And if you're liking my videos, then like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much, guys. Keep supporting, guys.